हाय गाइस, आई होप आपकी नाबार्ड ग्रेड ए की प्रिपरेशन इज गोइंग वेल. एग्जाम इज वेरी नियर बाय नाउ एंड दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल टाइम. अब ये वीडियो मैं क्यों बना रहा हूं, हमें आपकी थोड़ी सी हेल्प चाहिए. As you all know, we have already taken marathon sessions for quant reasoning, English, computer and decision making. Decision making या computer का शायद नहीं हुआ है, आज हो जाएगा. All these non-merit sections, marathon sessions are complete. And for the merit sections, we are starting marathon sessions first with ESI static and ARD static, जो कि अगले 1-2 दिन में हो जाएंगे. There is a separate announcement video for that. मुद्दे पे आते हैं. Now there is one area which is really important for your exam, that is current affairs. चाहे वो ESI के हो, ARD के हो, reports हो, schemes हो, GA हो, all these are very very important for your exam. Now we want to conduct marathon sessions on this also, but due to time constraints, bandwidth constraints, whatever you say, maybe we are not able to take marathon sessions on all these topics. So हमें थोड़ी दुविधा है. We are in a dilemma which we want you to help us. So you have to basically tell me कि you have option to choose 3 areas from these 5 areas where you want us to take marathon sessions. आपको 3 areas चुनने हैं. From these 5 areas, what are these 5 areas? First is government schemes. Second is ESI current affairs. Third is ARD current affairs. Fourth is reports and indices. And fifth is GA. I repeat, government schemes first area, ESI current affairs second, ARD current affairs third, then reports and indices fourth and GA fifth. So these are the 5 areas from where you have to choose and tell us that what are those 3 areas where you want us to take marathon sessions. We will ensure that in these 3 areas, whatever you suggest, we take some really comprehensive marathon sessions. ठीक है, तो आपको ये suggest करना है. Second suggestion which we want from you is what is the time that you want these for marathon sessions? 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. Now, every time will have their pros and cons. 6 p.m. वाले session we will try to make them longer because no faculty can stay till 8:39. But maybe it might not be suitable for you. 9 p.m. might be suitable for you, those who are working, but then those has to be little bit shorter because eventually people have to go home to sleep and come next day. So we want your suggestions on these 2 areas. Please give your suggestions by commenting below this video. What are the 3 areas you want us to take marathon sessions on and what are the timings suitable to you? Or your marathon sessions are going to be really a cracker of the sessions, I can assure you. Do participate. We will make a separate announcement. इनके timings पे, इनके slots पे, किस दिन क्या होने वाला है. We will make a separate announcement on that very shortly, maybe tomorrow. So stay tuned and give your suggestions by commenting below this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.